Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to the Crafty Bird. I hope you are all doing fine. Today's tutorial is about this beautiful bracelet. So let's get started. To make this bracelet, fold 130 inches of one thread and 30 inches of other thread. I folded them in half, and now I will start making vertical larks head knot by using the long thread. So what you are going to do, first wrap the long cord over the short cord like this. Now under the short cord, over, under. So now we have a small lock here. We use vertical larks knot to make this. The shorter cords are inside and the longer are outside. We are going to use this bead to pass through this hook. So this is the right size here. Now we are going to close it like this. Now pick these two short cords and pick the outermost. Start making half edges. Now pick both the short cords like this, and we will wrap them by this long cord. And then by this long cord. Like this. So we have two lines, 1 and 2. These are the short cords, two short cords, and these are two long cords. Now we will add another long cord here by reverse larks head knot. Now pick the outermost right cord like this and make half edges in this way. Now we will return this cord back and will make half edges again by using the 4 cords. So when you reach to the last cord, leave this cord aside and work with these 3 cords now. Now take this cord and go back like this. Like this. Make half edges. Now again we are going back with the same cord and we make half edges by using the 3 cords. So now you can see a figure like M or W. Now the cord, the 4th cord which we left aside, take this cord and take this cord, bring it together like this and make half edge. The cord left behind is under the cord, working cord, which is coming from the half edges. And now make a half edge. We need to bring this closer as much as possible. Now pick this cord again, the 4th one, and start making half edges. Return from here back like this. Make half edges. We will use 3 cords and we'll leave the 4th one like this. Now leave this 4th one aside and again return from here and make another row of half edges by using the 2 cords. Now come back like this. Now you can see we have again M shape or the W shape. Now again using this 4th cord which we left and this cord, we will bring them together like this as much tight as possible and we will make half edge. So here you can see we have this leaf kind of pattern. After completing this leaf kind of pattern, we have these 2 short cords. Pick this cord, the outermost 4th cord, and bring it under the 2 short cords and wrap it like this. 1 and 2. This cord is now on right side. Now pick the other cord and wrap it. Now this is also on the right side. Now pick this cord, wrap it on the 2 short cords. Like this. Now this is also on right side. Now the 4th and the last one. Wrap it also on the 2 short cords. bring everything closer and tighter for a neat and clean look, like this. So this is positioned right now. We have this pattern, the 4 long cords on the right side now and 2 short cords here in the middle. Take the same pattern here. You can see we have 4 long cords. Pick the leftmost cord and start making the half hitches. Keep it closer to the middle line. We have one more line here. Now we will return back from here like this, and we will use 2 cords now. And leave this cord aside. Now we will return back from here like this, and we'll make some half hitches. Like this. Again, we are going back like this, keeping in mind that this 4th cord is aside right now, and we are using Now you can see we have another pattern here, and this is the 4th cord. We will bring this 4th cord under these 2 short cords and again start wrapping. Now this is on left side. Now pick the other cord coming in this order. Don't disturb the order of the cords, and wrap it. Now this under the two short cords, and wrap twice. Now the last one. And wrap it. So we just completed our project today. I hope you love this beautiful bracelet. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Until the next tutorial, please take care of yourself and Khuda Hafiz.